Weekend Modder here with another quick tip video. This one about Coronas and why the versions don't matter. And here's what I have to say about that. The reason that the version number of your Corona doesn't really matter is that as long as your console is a Corona, which we can tell by the orientation of the NAND header here, as long as it's a Corona, there's really only two major things that I care about. First thing, is the NAND a 16 megabyte NAND? And therefore we're going to read and write to it up here. Or is the NAND a 4 gigabyte NAND, in which case we have to use this pad here and a USB based tool to read and write to the NAND. The way to think about that is that anything that doesn't come up and touch these pins is 4 gig, and the ones that do go all the way to the edge with the pins are 16 megabyte NANDs. I'm going to post a reference image on the screen right now that kind of shows what I'm saying. So the two 4 gig versions, the chip is offset, it's withdrawn from the edge of the pins, but the two 16 megabyte NANDs, the different variations, go all the way to the edge of the pins, and that is what I'm describing here. So that's what you care about. How are you going to read and write to the NAND? The other thing is, do you have postfix or not? Postfix refers to whether or not you're going to need to install that little adapter board that gives you the C point in most RGH installations, and that you determine by removing the heatsink and looking for the traces right in this area. And if these traces are missing as they are here, you need a postfix adapter. So if they were present, you would be able to get away without a postfix adapter, and I'll post an image on screen right now that shows what this spot looks like with the traces, and then what it looks like right here in my live video without the traces. So those are the two things that actually affect what happens when you RGH your console. 4 gig or 16 megabyte, or postfix or no postfix. Beyond that, it doesn't matter version 1, version 2, version 3, version 4. You just need to know whether you need a NANDEX or JR programmer or a 4 gig rewrite kit, and you need to know whether or not you need a postfix adapter. Everything else can be done in software settings and wiring. So that's why the version number of your Corona doesn't matter.